And today, special thanks to our friends at i-Blason who are nice enough to send us this 2024 Samsung Galaxy Z Flip 6 Journey case. And so let's just open it up and show you what we're really working with here. Nothing else in there. So if we slide this out, we get a warranty card, info, a little instruction guide, and this is the case here. So love that they include this little unique kickstand back here. I think that's pretty dope. And essentially, this is what the case would look like. Nice silver. We can peel these off. And one that I will leave for now, because I don't want to put this on a dummy phone, is this little sticker here. So you peel this sticker off. This has a bit of adhesive on it to basically help it stick to your Samsung Galaxy Z Flip. So I can kind of just push this on around, kind of all pops into place for you. And then it's very similar for the back. Just kind of push the bottom in here, and then you'll feel the sides kind of clamp into place. Bada bing. And there you go. Now you've got a very nice i-Blason case on your Z Flip. I personally like this here. I know it makes it a little bulgy, but it's a great way to help stop debris and stuff from getting into that bend of the phone. You've got your screen protected here. You've got your cameras. You've got your cutout for your speaker and USB-C, your fingerprint reader, and your volume rockers. And at the end of the day, this will help protect your phone in the event of dropping it or something like that. And also looks pretty darn good. And of course, you got this kickstand. So if you're out at lunch, you want to watch you a video or something, bada bing, and then just pop it right back down. I really like it. And the only logo I see is the i-Blason logo there. So very nice. Thank you very much, i-Blason, who was nice enough to send this Z Flip 6 case to me. Thank you all for watching, and we'll see you in the next one. Deuces.